Done my hair coloring. I'm so happy. Hello all, welcome back to my channel, me Vasu. This video is all about my hair color transformation and even my haircut. And haircut is very minimal. I have been coloring my hair since my college days. I'll try to add those pics if I have any, but most of the time my favorite color was burgundy. This is my first experience in US with the hair color. These blondes is what I really wanted to try every time, but I didn't get a chance because I have to go to the office and all. But now that it is work from home, I got a chance to color my hair blonde and see how nice it is. I'm really liking it, and even the highlights is so good. This hair color is balayage treatment. It's almost 2 weeks that I have done my hair color, but I haven't done this video immediately because I wanted to see how my hair is reacting to these bleaches and all. If you see the video, you will understand. I had lots of questions. I was not sure what she was doing. First thing, the color process that I have seen in India with my hairstylist was doing was mixing the hair color and the developer is what I know. I am not sure what they have done at the back end, but this is only what I saw every time. Have some ratios for mixing the colors, and then he used to do it for me. But this time I had a totally new experience. Now let's go into my hair transformation video. Hair Cuttery is the salon where I got my haircut and hair color. This is the previous day night I went for my haircut, and it was just a little bit trimming at the back, and I had a layer cut in the front of my hair as well, which was just like mimicking my earlier haircut that I had. So this is how it came out. And the next day it's time to color my hair blonde. She started partitioning my hair. We had a little bit of discussion before she started this process, and then she was applying all the creams. I thought that she was applying the actual color to my hair, but later I came to know that she was applying a bleach.
You can lean back and we'll do 10 minutes.
Okay. I was sitting here for almost 15 to 20 minutes, and then she was coming and checking how it was developing the color on my hair. Because my hair is already colored, she was not sure how it would come out, and then she was coming and checking every time. Now it's time to see my bleached hair. What are you doing now?
Washing.
Okay, and then?
The toner.
No, the one that you mixed is the toner. Then the color.
That's what the toner is.
Oh, the toner itself is the color?
Yes.
Okay, okay. Will this be light brown or dark brown?
It's gonna be like a medium brown.
Okay. It will get highlighted.
Yes, you'll see the difference.
Okay, okay. I just wanted to try these browns.
Yeah. They won't fade as quickly as the reds do.
Okay. And then she was applying the toner all over my hair to change the color to brown. I wanted to make my hair transformation video.
Yeah. Show the befores and afters.
Yeah. And she continued the same process on applying the toner to my hair, and then see how my hair color is changing to brown. Specific shampoos that I have to use after this, or anything is okay?
I would say either color safe shampoo.
Okay.
Or even using like a purple shampoo, which is for kind of like blondes and brunettes. It helps keep the red tone from coming through.
Okay.
So instead of like brassy, like an orangey color,
okay,
it helps keep it away from getting that color.
Oh. Do I need to visit again after a couple of months, or how is it?
I would say, let's say if you got like just the color safe shampoo, maybe like 6 weeks. What's that, like a month, 2 months?
Yeah.
I would say 2 months, just get it retoned.
Okay.
And then whenever you feel like you want it brought up more, then retouch it up.
Okay. Now the hair wash is also completed and it's time to dry my hair and see how the color came out.
Alright, you can sit all the way up.
She's using a wet brush to detangle if there are any tangles in my hair, and then she was spraying a heat protecting spray. Here's the Dyson hair dryer. I'm experiencing it for the first time and I'm really excited. I'm just waiting for the right time to effort and buy a Dyson hair dryer. As she was drying my hair, I just was so excited to see how the color came out and do all types of things, and I'm disturbing her as well. The hair drying is almost done and you can see the shade coming up, and now she is curling my hair. Even curling I have done earlier only once, but this time I felt like after curling my hair the volume is so nice, and I'm trying to understand how I can do it by myself, but only after I purchase a Dyson hair dryer I will do all this. Such a nice wavy curly style. Styling my hair is almost done and I am ready to doll up. And here we go with my hair color transformation. I hope you all liked this color as well. I was like so happy, it turned out very nice, and there were so many pics that I took for it. I have never heard about purple shampoos and conditioner, because might be I didn't need it because my hair color was burgundy, I'm not sure, but as my hairstylist has suggested, I have purchased the purple shampoo and conditioner in Amazon, and here you go. These are the two. This is the shampoo and this is the conditioner. Let me show you all how it looks. It is really purple. First time when I used it, I was not sure if I can even apply to my scalp. So I have used my regular shampoo to my scalp and then I used this purple shampoo to overall hair. But now I got used to, so I'm tension free. So this is the purple shampoo and this is the purple conditioner. Both are in purple shade, and as she said, it is mentioned even here that it neutralizes brassy yellow and orange tones. Even the conditioner also says the same. Both are from the L'Oreal brand which I purchased. Hope you all liked my hair color transformation video. If you like this video, please do like, share and subscribe to my channel. Me